Before you begin, remove the top cover and wireless module. Removal. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bars up on the USB board ZIF connectors and disconnect the USB board ribbon cables from the system board. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 6 3.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the system board to the base enclosure. Lift the USB-C bracket off of the system board and remove. Carefully lift the edge of the system board off of the alignment pins and guide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure. Remove the system board. Note: before installing a system board, remove the heatsink from the old system board and install on the new system board. Reverse this procedure to install the system board. Important: after system board replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the notebook, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings,